Day 4 of the Kelly Thomas trial was just what the prosecution wanted. The autopsy report revealed that Kelly Thomas died of mechanical chest compression. In other words, he suffocated. The autopsy report and the coroner gave that riveting testimony today in court. In addition, the gruesome photographs of Kelly Thomas in the hospital, his face basically smashed, was so moving you could have heard a pin drop in this courtroom today. Family members of the Thomas family walked out. You heard people in gas as a result of these gruesome autopsy photographs. I'm here with Nick and Veronica, and you have a sign here saying "Justice for Kelly." Tell me why you came out here in front of the courthouse with this sign.
I feel like it's a monumental point in time because we don't always see officers getting held accountable for their actions and charged for murder, for instance, and that's what we're having today.
Are you related to the Kelly Thomas family?
No, different spelling, different family.
So you're just active. Do you live in the city of Fullerton, Santa Ana?
No, we live in the San Gabriel Valley, about an hour away.
So what motivated you to come out from San Gabriel to come out here in front of the courthouse and hold this sign?
Pain really motivated me from a seemingly preventable death and senseless killing and beating that I feel like something needs to be done.
Veronica, how do you feel about it?
I feel the same as my son. I see too many police shoot, kill people, and get away with it. It always gets found justified. The officers are cleared and back on the street, and I feel like it's a public safety issue. And like Nick said, this is a monumental trial because we see 2 officers who are being held accountable for their actions. And I feel that a win for Kelly, a guilty plea, a guilty verdict for the officers is a win for all victims of police brutality.
What type of reaction are you getting out here with your sign?
A lot of honks and cheers. A lot of honks and cheers.
How long do you plan to be out here?
We go and watch the proceedings, and then when it's time for break, we run out here. We're out here before the proceedings as well, when people are coming in. So any chance we get to be out here, we're out here.
Have you had a chance to meet with the Thomas family?
Yes. Actually, Ron Thomas came to my city to discuss a man who was beaten and tasered to death who was also schizophrenic. So,
well, I want to thank you for joining us today on clearthecourt.com, and good luck in your pursuit to try to end police use of excessive force. What's happening now is that the defense is going to have to try to impeach the autopsy report, try to bring in the fact that Kelly Thomas used drugs. But the prosecution's report today, the autopsy report, was very clear. Kelly Thomas died of mechanical chest compression and brain injuries, all as a result of the beating he took on July 5th, 2011. This is Terrell for clearthecourt.com.